And hello everyone, Bobiko is here. Welcome to my channel. Today what we are gonna do, it's like testing this, I don't know what to call this Jeng Clive kit, because it's like drilling, it's brushing, it's like this can cut everything. I don't know what we can do with this, but today we want to test drilling. I already put this, I don't know how to say, burgiju sam stavio. I will talk a little bit on Serbian because I don't know how to call this thing. And today we are gonna test this, what that can do on deer's kako se kaže rog, evate, deer's corn kažeš, I don't know, this is like corns of deer, I think, and pluta from vine and something else, cup and wood and carton. We will see, and this I want to make a hole here. I think it's gonna be good, but we will see. Let's try with carton. Hoće tako. Opa! Oh, what a hole! Yeah, it's good. Yeah, let's make a hole. Now let's retry wood. I think this is a really bad idea, but I need 1 hour to drill hole in this. But we can try. Opa. Can we do it? Haha, nothing. About 1 hour we need to do this, I think. Yeah, it's a small hole, but I think we can do this because it's not so tiny. Wood, I don't think it's so good to drill wood because it's like very hard. Nothing. Wood minus. We can try this later, but I don't know. Now we can try this from vine. I think we need about 2 holes. I want to put this to make a keychain from this, and I want to put it here like that. I think I need to put 2 holes, one here, and we will see. Whoa. Yeah, here is better, it's going very well. We can make a fire also, I think, with this. Opa. Yeah, but it's really small hole. I think I need a bigger, this one. Now I'm gonna try like here. This is like sound like you go to dentist. It's really bad sound. Yeah, I think it's good, but we need a bigger burgia. We must find it, I don't know. Bigger one? It's like this? No. Oh no, we don't have bigger one. But I can try to put this for keychain. I bought like 100 these ones, and I will try to put that here, but I don't think it's gonna be good, because maybe we can try. It's not funny, Marina. Cameraman, that is not funny. Cameraman. But we can try like this, I think. Or not. Nah. This is a really bad idea, because this is not going in. I don't know where, but I can try again to drill like this, maybe. Yeah, now is, I think now is okay, but I need the new one. I think that is gonna be okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah. But we need a chain here to put here, a little chain, then put this, like something like this. I don't know. But for this one it's okay. We can try now this one. I don't know where I need to put the hole, but something like that. It's really hot now. I don't know why, but it's a little bit hot. Yeah, it's good. For this, it's good. But my angle is not good, because I'm stupid. And now I must try to do something like this. And just try to put this thing, because the angle is not good. I think it's not the same hole. Opa, yeah, it is. Yeah, it's okay, I think, to go like this. Yeah, something like that. It's okay. Now we're gonna try to make a hole here. I think here also, like this angle down. I will make a fire before I make a hole here, because it thinks really lot now like a fire, but here nothing for now. Yeah, something like that, but that is not a hole, that is like small hole. I don't know what is that, but it's not working. I can try once more, but I think nothing will gonna happen. Now we can try later with another one, but we can try now this to make a hole here, I think. No Nino, snimaj malo od gore, bet. To što ti snimaš, to se ništa ne vidi. Što se vidi kad duša. Nothing, I think. We can try more power. Yeah, after 1 hour we will drill the hole here now. Bad idea. And grand finale in the corn of deer corns, but I think we can't do this. But we can try to make a hole here, but it's really tough material. Yeah, it's something, but we will need about 2 hours to drill a hole here, I think. He's making something, like a little hole, but nah. Now we can try to change the head and try with something else, but I don't know with what, but we can try. I must change the head, I think, because I want to try this one, maybe. The head for this one is, I don't know, maybe this one. I don't know. We can try this one. No, it's not. Ah, it's this one, yeah. Yeah, now we can try this one because we didn't make a hole here, but we can try with this. I don't know if it will work, but I don't think so, but we can try. Yeah, it's making a hole, but it's a little Now we make a hole here with this, then we can put this one and really make a big hole, I think. But we can try here. Yeah, it's a better progress with this one, I think, but nothing what I expected to do. Opa. And we can try it here. No. Nah. But I think it's good thing for something like this, for something like small job to do in your house, maybe, I don't know. But for me is like nothing special, because I need to drill here a hole, here, here, and I must buy a new one, a bigger one, I don't know, because I want to make a keychain from this. It's for luck, and from this also, every wine which I drink, I want to make a keychain from this, and you have a really good memory. It's like, I don't know, this one is Schmidt Bodensee, like 2022, and you have a really nice memory what are you drinking. And that's all. Like, share and subscribe on Bobiko YouTube channel. Be nice, be healthy, and train good, because if you want to have big arms like Bobiko. Ćao, zdravo, guys.